Hey, it's your boy Coach Vic, certified land investor. As you can see, I got something special for you. A lot of people ask me, hey, how do I get started in land investing? How do I find a property? What's the best area? How much money do I need? And many questions like that. So instead of answering people one by one, I'm going to actually do a live training with a small intimate group right here on Zoom. That is just going to be us getting our hands dirty with this land investing stuff. Not only will I answer those questions above, but number one, we were going to find out how to find these areas that are going to be untapped potential. So now after the training, you can continue to do stuff without me. You don't need me anymore. Number two, I'm going to show you how to put a list together, either for free or using a paid service to find these distressed owners, as well as owners who probably want to sell, but who have not put their property on the market yet, so we can get them before they get too greedy. And third, I'm going to show you how you can contact these people, get those conversations going, help them get rid of the property that's been a problem for them so you can sell it on to somebody else. Now, as I say, all this is live, and guess what? Totally free. But the catch? Well, you got to sign up. Not only do you have to sign up, but you got to sign up first. You see, my Zoom account is limited. I can only add so many people to this meeting. And if you're not in, guess what? You don't get your live answers. You don't get anything else because you're not there. So if you want live questions answered, you want to make sure that I understand your situation so I can cater advice to you, well, you got to be there live. So claim your seat now so you don't have those problems. Between me and you, chances are, if you like what I have to do in this crash course, you're probably going to like my land investing group. I'll share more about that later. But as you can see, there's a button somewhere below where you can claim your seat, register, make sure you're there, make sure you're ready to actually get some work done, because that's what we're going to be doing. It ain't just going to be lecture time. It ain't just sitting back and taking notes. We're here to get work done and make some money. All right, so when you're ready, sign up, save your seat. I'm really excited to do this for you. I'm really excited to be a part of this, and hopefully you're excited too. So I will see you on the other side. Peace.